Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Can you give us a signal by moving something that's close by?
I can try. Hold on.
Sometimes, all it takes is a little time to get used to something new. And before...
Oh, she'll never let me do anything again. We gotta get these out.
Hold on! Let...
My village, you will stay with my Uncle Topolino!
Luigi, quick!
See ya, soldier! Come on by Sarge's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs!
Oh, honey, surplus! What? How do we do that?
Tile, do you still have the Clover sticker on?
Sticker?
Hello, Faith! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
I hereby dub thee.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Give it up, McMissile! Oh, no lo disfrutaría más ni venciendo a McQueen en persona. Un segundo, ya lo hice.
Best racers in both Carolinas. Fast River, Fast Lou.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más veloz del oeste?
No, you don't.
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! ¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
I am not coming in behind you again, old man. There's a dirt track there. That's what I need to race against actual racers.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his crime.
Radiator Springs. The glorious jewel strung on the necklace of Route 66. The mother...
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting Genius.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
course. All in all, must be finished for good.